Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another opportunity tonight. Okay, but before we go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course do your own personal practice so that you will know how to use the strategy very well before trying it out on your real account. This is very important. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay guys, we'll be starting with boom 1000. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and there's that time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining us live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Okay, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay, so guys, we will be using the we will be using 5 minute time frame, and of course I will be using the 3M trend milk trading tools to do my analysis right here. Okay, this has been on a very strong downtrend today, and of course starting from this resistance zone, you notice that it has been selling and selling. After getting to this support zone, it was unable to break out below it, so it went back on uptrend. Even though it has been ranging within this period, okay, has not been able to break out above this resistance zone. Once it breaks out above it, then the next place we should be looking at is somewhere here. Okay, so for now we need it to break out above this resistance zone, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So let's check out the next asset, which is going to be boom 500. This is boom 500, and of course this is also on 5 minute time frame. It has been on a very strong buy trend. You can see it's going up, even though there are pullbacks in between, but it is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, even though it has got into this resistance zone, if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, then definitely it will go back on sell trend. But for now, it is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. This might not go for a very long time before it will change the direction of the market into a selling opportunity. Okay, that is if it does not break out above the resistance zone. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 1000, and just the way we have seen it, okay, just the way we have seen this has been on a very strong uptrend since morning. Okay, it has been buying and buying and buying. Okay, it is at this stage, and of course if it's unable to break out above that resistance zone, then definitely it will go back on sell trend. But if it breaks out above it, it will continue to buy. So this is still buying at the moment. Okay, even though it might not be for a very long time, most especially if it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. So the next asset is going to be crash 500. Okay guys, this is crash 500, and just where we have seen it. Okay, this had been on downtrend before, got to this support zone, was unable to break out below it, then definitely it tried to go back on uptrend, pull back again, and it will be trying it out again. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, except if it breaks out above the support zone. Okay, so the last asset is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out right away. This is volatility 75, and of course just where we have seen it, okay, it has been on downtrend, going on down and down. It got to this support zone, pullback, and went back down again, and it broke out below it, and of course it is still selling. So this is still going to be more of a selling opportunity. than a buying opportunity, even though if it's unable to break out below it, then definitely it will go back into a buy trend. So this is very, very important for us to take note of. Okay, so this is all that we are able to go through today, and of course all you need to do is just to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you that are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.